How to log into your Menards credit card account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your Menards credit card account. So first thing, just search in for Menards credit card login from any of your browser and just click on the first link over here. So for this to work, you need to actually be able to have a account on your Capital One. So it's basically same. So you can just tap on the setup my account option or button over here if you don't have an Capital One online account already, or you can just tap on the sign in button over here to successfully sign into your account by providing all of your login details or login credentials such as your registered username as well as your password. So just provide your registered username as well as your password, and once you do all of that, just click on sign in button over here to successfully sign into your Capital One or your Menards credit card account online. And if you are having problem trying to log in, you can always contact the customer support as well as simply tap on forget password if you ever forget your password as well to successfully reset your account. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.